This is this big, complex machine that we're trying to understand.
We really need to understand how it's changing. How is it evolving?
Wherever you live on this globe, the oceans will influence you in some form or the other.
We are answering those really interesting and hard questions that we all have about our universe and our planet.
My name is Séverine Fournier, and I'm observing our changing oceans from space.
I'm Shannon Sadum, and here at NASA JPL, I help prepare Sentinel-6 for its journey to space.
My name is Shailen Desai.
My name is Parag Vaze.
My name is Ben Hamilton, and I'm studying sea level rise from space.
We're looking at a 1/3 replica of the Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich satellite.
Sentinel-6 is all about water.
This sort of top half of the satellite houses the main instruments.
We have the altimeter, we have the radiometer.
Sentinel-6 is a collaboration with NASA, NOAA, the European Space Agency, and also EUMETSAT in Europe to measure sea level.
And it's specifically capturing the height of the ocean.
The satellite is actually emitting a signal.
And that signal is bouncing back.
It measures the time it takes for that pulse to get back.
So we've been measuring the height of the ocean since the beginning of the 90s.
I've worked on Topex Poseidon, JSON-1, JSON-2, JSON-3.
We really need that long duration observation,
And Sentinel-6 is going to allow us to continue that record.
so that we can better predict what is the rate of change, what is it going to look like in a year, 5 years, 10 years from now, and so forth.
It's not just scientific curiosity, it really impacts the daily lives of people and their ability to plan for their future.
I see pictures of coastal inundation and flooding.
You start to realize the importance of understanding what sea level is doing now. We can use that understanding to know what sea level might be doing in the future.
Seeing that come to fruition is a personal satisfaction and an emotional satisfaction.
Scientists around the world are using this data to help people.
The importance of this project and where it touches is on all walks of life all across the world.
From space, it's just one planet.